Hi everyone, it's Kim with Vegas on a Dime. Welcome back. Today we are in Las Vegas. We are at Harrah's. It is January 2026. We are going to do a room tour here. We start off in the bathroom behind a barn door. It is a walk-in shower with some amenities on the wall. The shower works fairly well. It doesn't really leave a bunch of mess on the floor. A single sink here with a lighted mirror. This is the Valley Tower. I do have a connecting room. There's a full-length mirror here. And then once you get into the room, there is a vanity with a lighted mirror. There usually is a little stool underneath there to sit on, but not in this room. I do have a 2-queen bed room. Here's just a bigger view. Over here in the middle, we've got our safe with some drawers. And then we've got a Keurig if you've got some pods, and then an overpriced mini bar, and then a full screen TV. There is a desk here if you do need to get some work done. There's lots of light in this room. There's 2 chairs and a table as a little seating area. And then I did get an attraction view. I can see the Highroller and I can see the Sphere. Those will look way better at night. So at the end of this video, I will put in some night footage of the Sphere. So again, this is the Valley Tower. It's Harrah's in January 2026. I do have a video out on YouTube that shows the difference between the Mountain Tower and the Valley Tower. The Valley Tower is the older remodel. The Mountain Tower is newer, but they're very similar in design. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like my content, I'd love if you subscribe to my channel on YouTube. I am also on Facebook. My page is Vegas on a Dime. We talk everything Las Vegas. I post lots of tips and tricks for travel to Las Vegas and how to save money, and lots of other fun things. I'd love to have you over there to follow along. So I will leave you here with this amazing view of the Sphere, and I will see you guys all in the next video.